Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys,
Today I have my friend Sam with me.
I got introduced
This time.
This is our third take. Let the people know. And we stopped every one
I
of them.
remember this time to introduce Sam.
Thank you.
So today we are going to be reacting
To I forgot already. No. 5 world's best foods.
Yes, the world's best foods. So I was on Google earlier, just messing around, and I decided to Google the best dishes from around the world, and the CNN article came up with the top 50. So we're not gonna do all 50.
Okay.
I thought we would just do the top 5.
Works for me.
All right. So we're gonna start with number 5. We'll work our way to number 1.
Okay. Start. Wait, let me get to number 5. Number 5.
All right.
All right.
So number 5 is
The Peking duck. Peking
Peking duck, which is
Peking
from
duck.
China.
Okay.
I love Peking duck.
I'm not a big fan of duck just because of the texture. But you said this one is what? The texture is different?
Yeah, the texture is really crispy. That's what it's known for.
Is there any special ingredient besides just regular duck that makes this the best?
I don't think so. I just think because it's like fried and really crispy. Yeah, it's just so good. Like the outside is crispy, but then the meat is still like super tender and juicy.
That sounds good.
Yeah. Okay.
What's it called again?
Peking duck.
Peking duck.
Yes.
Is it in a specific restaurant that makes it?
Most Chinese restaurants make Peking duck.
Okay.
Yeah. And then when you get it, it comes with like vegetables like cucumbers, carrots, and then you wrap it in tortilla type thing.
Okay.
Really good.
All right. Moving on, number 4.
Number 4. Ta-da. Sushi.
All right. Big fan of sushi?
Yes, I love sushi.
Okay.
Who doesn't love sushi?
I like sushi.
What's your favorite roll?
Okay, I like all my sushi fried. So
Fried.
deep.
Not deep fried. That's
Deep
not
fried sushi
That
eater
is
right
not
here.
Sushi,
It's
though.
on the menu at every sushi restaurant. Say tempura.
Okay, that's not
And they got you.
deep fried though.
Okay.
It's still like
So I'm gonna be a civilized.
there's still
sushi
some
eater.
raw components sometimes, but I think my favorite roll is anything with ahi tuna. I love tuna.
Ahi tuna.
Yeah.
Okay. I've tried light sushi.
Yeah.
As far as the uncooked one, and the one that I tried was good. I forgot the name of it. It was pretty good.
Watching Morimoto make this sushi and he's fucking good.
Morimoto,
Morimoto, famous Japanese chef.
Okay.
Yes, he's like on Iron Chef. I don't know if you guys watch Food Network.
Oh yeah, you know me. Food Network.
He's like a
All day,
top
every day.
Iron Chef competitor. He makes the best Japanese food ever.
Okay.
So I would eat his sushi rolls for sure.
Right after ESPN is Food Network. Top of my list.
Really?
No.
Okay. So we're gonna move on to number 3.
Number 3. Oh, we got a Mexican chocolate. I
Ooh.
don't know why I wanted. It has nothing to do with the
Salsa?
chocolate. Yeah.
I love Mexican chocolate.
Champorado, is that what it's called?
Chuparado.
Chuparado.
No. Champurrado.
Champorado.
You gotta roll your yes. Say it again.
Chuparado.
Champarrado.
Okay.
Mexican chocolate. Have you had it before?
I haven't.
It's so good.
These are 50th of the world. Are these rare, like, to have?
I don't think so because I've had all of them so far.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. The Peking duck was a little rare if you're not familiar with that. But the Mexican hot chocolate is something that they're really known for, and it's like savory.
I did not know.
Yes, and then they also put their chocolate in moles and like sauces, which is my favorite way to have.
It looks
chocolate.
really like, it's not pink, so it's like, it's kind of like,
So yeah, it is like a little water. Yeah,
yeah.
but
Looks good though.
it's really good.
I'm gonna think about ordering that next time I go to Mexico.
I think since you like hot chocolate, you would like Mexican hot chocolate. It's got a little cinnamon in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, where we at? Number 2?
Number 2.
All right, what we got at number 2?
I'm gonna see if you can guess what part of the world number 2 is from.
Oh, number 1 because I secretly know this
The
already.
opera.
But I like you
away.
making me look smarter on camera.
All right.
Even though I just told
So
him.
you already know, so don't guess.
Wow. I'm gonna speak the language then.
All right. Go for it.
Ciao.
Ciao bella.
Ciao, bella.
Number 2 is a Neapolitan pizza.
Neapolitan pizza.
Yes.
Nice.
I'm actually surprised pizza is not number 1.
Okay, so
everyone loves pizza.
Neapolitan ice cream has the Italian flag as the. No, because it has chocolate. Never mind.
Oh, are you
Disregard
gonna say
everything.
because it has the colors? The 3 different
Yeah,
colors?
the 3 different colors.
Is that why it's called that?
That's what I was headed, but then brown is not it's not part of the Italian.
No, but neither is pink, which is strawberry.
Why'd you do this though? Why'd you do this? Please show the Italian flag, because I'm wondering.
So back to the pizza. I'm surprised pizza is not number 1. I really am.
Pizza is your favorite food?
It's not my favorite food, but I thought it would be like the world's favorite food.
Ooh. I don't know. As a African man, I don't know.
Pizza?
My first pizza I tasted was in New York City.
That's a good place to have a first pizza.
Yeah, but we don't eat pizza. Well, in Liberia we don't eat pizza.
Yes, but if you're gonna have pizza for the first time, New York City.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a lot of pizza.
They make good pizza in New York.
I heard Chicago. Good
Deep dish.
pizza.
Ooh, yes. Well, like some people don't like deep dish though. But
Yeah, I like the crust, yeah.
Oh, that's why you like deep dish?
Yeah.
I like this, like everything stuffed in it.
Yeah.
But this Neapolitan pizza looks really good.
Oh yeah, back to the pizza. It does. Lots and lots of cool little toppings that it has.
Well, I like it because it's simple, but like really
Yeah. Next.
Number one.
Big drum roll. Drum roll.
All right. So number 1 is. Can you say it?
Masaman gravy. Masaman.
Massaman curry.
Masaman curry. Why did I say gravy?
I
Well,
mean,
I guess
it's the same
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Curry gravy. This is from Thailand.
That looks good.
Super spicy.
I love Thai food.
Super, super spicy.
Thai food might be my favorite Asian food.
Ooh, really?
Yeah. And Korean. And well, Japanese steak, Korean
So
barbecue.
basically Asian.
Yeah, I like Asian food.
I would have to, I think I'm going to agree with you and say Thai food because they get the spice level right every time, I think.
Okay. So now that we're done with your list,
Yes.
can I ask you some food questions?
Yes, you can ask me some food questions.
Nice. Okay.
Okay.
What's harder to cook? Wait, what's the hardest food that you've ever prepared? And why?
Ever? Ethiopian.
Really?
Yes.
It is it because of the delicacy? Why?
That's part of it.
Mhm.
There's a lot of steps, and then a lot of their like, especially like for me, the hardest thing was the injera. That took like 3 days to make.
That's the bread, right?
Yeah, and just like getting the texture right and consistency. Yeah.
The fact that you made that here though. Like,
I
that's-
know. I
that's
really,
kinda cool.
yeah. I was
Did you
really trying
make it
to-
from scratch or like pre-made? Or?
No, I made it from scratch. Yeah, like you have to let it ferment for like 3 days.
Do you still have the video of that? You gotta show like the process.
I didn't make a video of it.
3 days they have to
Yeah.
ferment?
Well, the longer you let it ferment, the better.
How long did you eat it for? Because if I cook for 3 days, I'm eating it for a month.
Man, we ate that in like 1 day. So I was shooting for my cookbook.
Oh,
and,
okay.
Yeah, we just ate it. Yeah.
So you made the recipe in your cookbook?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So I can teach you guys how to make injera. I tried to simplify it.
Wow.
Yeah.
That would be the next YouTube video because that's hard to cook.
That's true.
I'll eat it. If you need a taster, your family is originally from Nigeria, you're originally from Nigeria.
Yes.
Or is it your family? Which one is it now?
I bet.
Okay, so you're from Nigeria.
Mm-hmm.
And you've also lived in the States. Have you lived in any other countries?
No, I've only
Okay.
lived in the States.
So, apart from those 2 countries, what would you say would be your other favorite country to sample food from?
Ooh, that's hard.
Ding, 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 ding.
Mexico.
Okay. You started at the chocolate, so why Mexico?
Because
Tacos.
I don't know, it's just good. Like,
Tacos.
Yeah, tacos. Okay, no, for real. I think they do like their meats really well. I think they also do their seafood really well. Like I love like ceviche and like, fresh seafood.
Okay.
So
I've never been to Mexico. I don't have too much like detail on Mexico.
I'm trying to. Mexico is fun.
Yeah, I like churros.
Here's what I found.
Oh,
Siri
Mexico wants us to go, or Siri wants us to go to Mexico.
The backwards Italian flag. Is there any like
Connection.
Well,
We're all connected.
Why are some countries' flags literally the same?
I'm gonna say because of the Spanish. Wait, but what does the Spanish flag?
Completely different.
Because I was just thinking about
It's
Italy.
like black, yellow, and
Oh
red.
yeah, black, yellow, and red.
I think. I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe I also just think sometimes when I look at flags, they ran out of creativity. Like
The new ones are lit though. Go Google a new country and like
Give me
their new country.
I don't know.
Dom, when was your country's independence? What day?
Year.
What year?
1970. Oh, that's.
1979, St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
All right, we're gonna look
Their
it up.
flag is created, but I feel like what's a Newark? What's that one country? I don't know.
Where geographically is it?
I don't know. It's new.
A new country? Well, hold on.
There was one.
We
It
need
was.
to further investigate. Like, how do you just have a new country? Like, how do new countries just?
We get tired of some shit. I mean stuff. People
Oh.
get tired of
some
stuff. They do.
This is true. I don't.
But that's a whole nother YouTube video.
Another day.
What's a new country? What's the newest country? South Sudan.
Oh, let's see what their flag looks like.
They got it on shorts. See?
It's not creative because let's go look at what the regular Sudan flag looks
The
like.
colors are bold though. Oh yeah, what's
It's
the
the
regular?
same green, black, red
Regular Sudan flag.
flag. It's the same.
I wouldn't call it the same.
Why? Because they have the blue?
You know what they did to get their independence? I'm
I'm talking about the flag. I recognize the
I
new
recognize
country.
y'all,
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. South
Anyway,
Sudan.
and my last question before it goes, because obviously we're done talking about cooking. What do you think? What did you think about when you first heard of Uber Eats and all these like food delivery apps?
Oh, dang. I have to like really think about this.
Okay.
When did Uber and these delivery food apps? Cause y'all remember dating myself. But y'all remember when y'all had to like look in the phone book to order food?
That is true.
Yeah.
That is true.
I'm trying to. I don't know.
When Pizza Hut number was in the
Yeah,
food book,
or you
and
get
there was,
like the
13
catalog in the
different
mail.
ones.
Yeah.
That was an old story.
I'm not that old, but yeah.
Phone book old. Phone book old is a real thing now.
Yeah. Yeah.
We didn't have a phone book where I was from.
I'm about to say, hold on. You can keep saying that. I was about to say, you're old too. Wait, hold on. Season. I don't really remember when Uber Eats and Postmates and all that came out, but I do know. I remember when Postmates came out.
I remember when Postmates came
I
out.
thought that was a big deal because I'm like, I can finally order from different restaurants.
I feel like, yeah.
Versus like the same like Pizza Hut. You know, like your delivery places that were just delivered.
Why didn't they do that before?
I don't know.
I think it was just laziness. Or people didn't really trust. But people ate out all the time.
Yeah. I just think no one ever really came up with like a system. Shout out to the person.
Shout out to every single one of them. I don't care if it's like this, that, and the
Yeah,
other.
I don't care. I'm on all of them. Grubhub, Postmates, DoorDash.
I survive on all of them.
I cook.
Cooking is not a...
If y'all want to know how to order out, especially order African food,
Oh yeah, I'm your guy.
he's your guy for real.
Cooking is not my thing.
He knows all the right
It's just
stuff.
not my. I really do. You
That's
think it's a
not-
problem?
No, I don't think it's a problem.
Do you think they need to start like acknowledging me, maybe throw me an extra pepper sauce every now and then?
Yes.
I
Yes,
know.
because
I'm
you
gonna start
support.
doing that
You
in the
support.
next-
Like you should be like, hey, it's me again. Every
African
time you
restaurant
order.
are the most stingy with that little pepper sauce. Like they would.
They
just
don't
not
give you
do it.
any extras. Period.
And sometimes they act like they ran out. Like it's part of the food, but you know, I'm airing my grievance on your own.
Anyway.
Go ahead.
Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Thank you for having me.
It's fun.
Thanks.
Bye.